I'm Robbie.
Hello, I am Sammy.
Hello, I am Estella.
Today we will go to the traditional Hong Kong tea house
and taste authentic dim sum.
This is the favorite gathering spot for Hong Kong people.
And filled with laughter and chatter.
And the fragrance of tea in the air.
Let's look at today's dim sum selection.
Here we have siu mai, beef ball, and shrimp dumplings.
A drinking tea is an art. Today we are sampling Pure Earth's distinctive notes paired wonderfully with the dim sum.
Tea house dim sum is not just a meal. It's a moment to share a wonderful time with friends and family.
Our journey ends here. Hope you will come to experience.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.